And that is why you see almost 80% of people, women, they will enter wrong motor. Such vehicles don't operate within the authorized parks. They are always on the road, and you call them one chance because they always have one space remaining to go.
Out of my experience, when I enter it once, it's from there then beginning to decide, oh, I forgot money. There's money in my boot. There's a lot of money in my boot. Madam, this money, can you this and that? So I now pretend as if I have a deaf and dumb. So from there they are afraid of me.
Several times they come into garage here, you will see some people come, they will come and ask, my load lost, this, how much is the price? The difference from garage and that place is just 100 naira or 2. But whatever what you lost, when you come back here, you will get it.
One chance cannot stop. Even police officer cannot stop one chance.
One chance is one of the major security issues in Nigeria, you know, where people and some group of individuals pose as commercial drivers to steal from people, to kidnap people, and even worse still, kill different people. Now we're asking this question: how can one chance be reduced in Nigeria, or possibly stopped in Nigeria, especially in a place like Abuja? My name is Omotola Adeleke. Don't forget, this is LJE Voxpop, and you can like, follow, share, and even subscribe on all our social media platforms. We're going to go ask people this question right now, and don't forget, you can also answer the question in the comment section. Thank you.
Out of my experience, when I enter it once, you know, it's from there then beginning to decide, oh, I forgot money. There's money in my boot. There's a lot of money in my boot. Madam, this money, can you this and that? So I now pretend as if I have a deaf and dumb. So from there they are afraid of me. So they drop me. But it's God that saved in that time. It's one chance. It's we that when you have something that is not belong to you, that you want to collect it, that's how you enter their hand. You understand? Maybe now you know that you have a 5,000 on your hand. Just make sure that God will surely provide for you. Don't look for another one. False. You know, it's because some people, they want their 5 naira to turn to million within 5 seconds. That is how wow they are entering one chance.
One chance is something that one shouldn't experience. Actually, it's something that, because after you have bought a vehicle thinking that, oh, you should arrive safely in your destination, inside the vehicle you are being attacked. The policing per individual or per citizen in our country is very low. Therefore, we don't. So one of the ways is for the authority to step up more police. Yes, later the police everywhere in a short of 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. You should be able to encounter police. You should be able to see the police and the rest of it.
The only thing they can do is like advise passenger to come to the park and enter a vehicle from park, so that it to reduce that stress or that ugly life. And another thing I'm thinking, federal government should like provide job opportunity for youth. I think that will reduce that rubbish life.
One chance can be reduced in Nigeria if the government be able to provide buses that will take people to their locations. You know, that bus will know that, okay, this one is coming from government, so we know that this one is secured. Coming from government is secured.
It's a very simple thing. You and I will agree that such vehicles don't operate within the authorized parks. They are always on the road, and you call them one chance because they always have one space remaining to go. They are on the road. So Nigerians or people, government must come in here and enlighten the people. What is the National Orientation Agency doing? There should be jingles everywhere. You can't find me on the road doing that. So I'm not at risk of. In fact, there are times where you leave your bag, your goods here, you come back and pick it up. You lose nothing here in the garage. I'm looking out of experience. So and authority agency should, you know, jingles and all of that over the TV. Not every time all they are doing is campaign on the TV. No, they should do something like that, and then government should now security apparatus. What are they doing? What is the police doing? They should put network in place to go after these people and ensure that these unauthorized parks are not functioning.
This John Typhus that they are tackling one chance, they're supposed to have what they call detector. Any car that carry exhibit, they should easily identify the car. So that one will make their job easy. Because we are in the garage, we are registered taxi. So those ones that they are in one chance, they are not registered taxi. They only operate in the road. So, and with weapon, all kind of weapon like gun and pistol and knife, you get me, man? But we here, we are in the garage. You will not see such thing like that. They're supposed to have what they call detector.
Detectors.
Yes. So that any car that is coming,
To detect it.
yes, they will easily detect the car than for them to be causing hold up in the name of searching many cars in the name of one chance, because those people work with information.
To say the truth, till when we agree on garage, what did I mean by garages? Like, oh, okay, now look at here. Just check here now. This is garage, right? But look at some people out there loading. Several times they come into garage here. You will see some people come. They will come and ask, "My load lost. This, that, this. How much is the price?" The difference from garage and that place is just 100 naira or 2. But whatever what you lost, when you come back here, you will get it. No driver inside garage will be able to do you wrong thing or rough thing. Once you are not there, you know where you enter the vehicle. And do you see the funny part of it is everybody that enter vehicle from here, all the people inside the garage, including the union, they know the person and they know who carry the person. Like me, there was a day I carried passenger and he forgot his bag inside my vehicle. When I got to my house, before I discovered that, see this person load. Before I got here, he has already arrived here before me, ahead of me. Then I told him that this man is not coming back today or till tomorrow. The following day when I came, I got to bring it out. Look at this. One passenger I forget, but I don't know who is the passenger. They said the passenger came here yesterday and they come and get it. But look at outside there. Look at. And they will see people loading them. And those people are not union. They are only after what they are going to eat. Okay, instead of them, government to work on that, they are working on to arrest an innocent woman being that is looking for what to eat. They call themselves joint task force and they saw vehicle parked there. Look at it there. Let your camera see it. Look at them. They saw those ones there. Instead of them to just gather there and park them all. Once you cannot register yourself inside the garage, don't park here. But they don't do it. They only see you going on express, they stop you. Wow. When they stop you, they arrest you because you are not painted. Like somebody that is using this big bus. Do you expect this big bus to be painted? Meanwhile, he's going outside Abuja. He's going outside Abuja and you want to paint it green and white of Abuja. What if you go Lagos? You will now turn it to Jakonde color. If you go to Ogun State, you will turn it to green and yellow. If you go to Kogi, so what is it?
Well, to me, I think instead of the normal and the regular taxis that we use, all these long coaster buses, government should introduce that. Number one, it would solve the issue of transportation here in Abuja. And then once you know that you are entering the government coaster buses, you would be sure that it is not a one chance, because you really cannot tell. Anybody can decide to. Even private car owners can, because car owners pick everybody here up. So you can just enter trusting that he's a good person and then it will become a one chance. And then even the regular buses, they can hire it from the drivers and the drivers will not know what they are going to use the buses, the taxis for. So I think if it's all these long coaster buses, that would be perfect to curb the issue of one chance in Abuja. That's what I feel.
I think the government should provide more transport vehicles that are painted, because it's not everybody that lives close to parks where they can enter vehicles from the parks to go to their location. So I think that this along thing is just something that cannot stop because of where people live. Some people live, some people's pickup points are quite far from the park, so it's almost impossible to stop the along. So I think the government should provide more painted taxis or any form of transport vehicle that is painted and can be identified that this is for government, and individuals that don't live very close and accessible to park can use those ones to move to their locations.
Because mostly the one chance is to have their own vehicle inside you, so they are always picking people at the road. So I think we have park for that. So I think that if we maintain the park, we will have less of issue of less one chance. Sometimes the tax we're having inside the park make the transport rise, as in the fee. So I think if they will give us some free ride, you understand, or the tax they are collecting at the gate, they should reduce it or something like that. People will maintain the park. So it's because of the high transport inside the park than the outside. That is why most people use the transport outside instead of going to the park.
At first, you need to create more job opportunities. And secondly, we need to educate our youth, because if the rate of illiteracy supersedes the number of literate people, so what do you expect? So those are the main issue. And also lack of security. So we need to work on the security issues in this country. It's not how wise you are, but at times you need to know the kind of cars you are entering. I don't say you can't judge people by their look, but it also helps at times. There are some kind of people you see, once your mind is not kind of okay with it, then you can find another option.
Without people cooperate, one chance cannot stop. Even police officer cannot stop one chance. You know the reason why I'm saying this? Because the problem in Abuja here is that some people, they're not used to enter motor for park. That's the problem we have. 80% of people, passengers in Abuja, prefer along the road. If you want to stop one chance in Abuja, they should enter inside park garage. One chance will die naturally. Nobody will, nothing like say police will do this or police. No, one chance will die naturally. This is register park area 1. But if you look over there now, you see people standing on the road. I don't know the reason why. That's the only solution. That's the only advice I'm giving people. If you want to enter motor, go to inside the garage. Don't always in haste. You will see somebody will come into the park. You tell us, which way this one go full. I'm in haste. It's only Africa you see somebody who has an appointment by 12 o'clock. He woke up around 11:30 and he want to meet up. And that is why you see almost 80% of people, women, they will enter wrong motor. 100% of cars here they are registered. We have the phone number, the driver's phone number, the vehicle license, the vehicle number. So even if you lost anything in this park, come back and identify yourself very well. The exactly time you enter car here, we'll look for it.
All right, so as you can see, we have been able to ask different individuals, including commercial drivers, the question: how can one chance be curbed in Nigeria, especially in a place like Abuja? You've heard different ideas. You've heard different people say solutions that can be preferred to reduce one chance in Nigeria. Drop your comment in the comment section. Your answer might also be a solution. My name still remains Omotola Adeleke, and don't forget, this is LJE Voxpop.